Good morning, everybody. We are live. We are back and better than ever. Or are we really better than ever? Either way, yeah, I mean, we're back. I don't know what else to say. If you tuned into yesterday, we kind of went on tilt and managed to bring an account back up into the 50,000. So definitely a plus there. I'm not going to complain about it. And just have to keep trading some other accounts. I'm going to be trading my funded accounts today. I might switch over to the other platform as well that I'm trading with because I still have to trade. I have 3 evaluations going on with them, and I think I have one that has a reset coming up on the 27th. So we got till next Friday. So we got to pass that. Either way, we have quite a bit of time until the New York Open. Technically, still in overnight session. I think we're in London. I don't know if London closes whenever New York opens, but either way, right now, the best thing to do, like I always say, is just to be patient. Be patient, wait for a setup to come. If you guys have any questions, put it down. Not put it down, put it in the chat. Kind of go about it. Got some time here, so yeah, I mean, selling down. I will also say though, here shares recap. Let's go look at it. I think it was 54 that I traded. No, it was 55. Let's go look at what happened. Kind of an insane move. Let's see. Yeah, this is ugly. Don't look at it, but I literally got filled perfectly at the top. I got bottom ticked, and then I finally got justice. Literally hit me perfectly, and the market just absolutely tanks. That is insane. Crazy. Yo, Chad. What it do? Yes, sir. We gonna get it. That's the plan today. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. Just gotta clear the throat. You're just gonna. Every time I talk, this happens. All right. But either way, we're starting fresh today. Switch to this bad puppy here. Today's gonna be day 3 on this one, so looking to just score 2 winning trades on this, 2 base hits, and then probably gonna move on to my other accounts. I gotta try to bring some other accounts back from the grave. So 53 is in the negative, and 54 is heavy in the negative. I don't even. What is this one at? 54. Did I not blow this one yesterday? Oh, I did. Okay. So we don't have much. I was about to say, we got this one, then we got this one. And yes, you're about to see me drink some McDonald's coffee. I was lazy and didn't want to make my own, so I just went down the street, got me some coffee. Don't judge me. I'm not perfect. And I don't claim to be perfect. Sometimes you just need that, Let's see, we got this push up here. Let's see if we can get this bump back up. Play off this wick. Get this strong move back up. Let's take a base hit. Get a 10-point winner to 70 and 75. Let's go, NASDAQ. Let's get this move. Do we have this train from this wick? That's a nasty wick. 2 wicks, so looking to just play this off of a bounce. Get the move back up to 70. And we go from there. Oh. It's weird. Here we go. What are we at? 69, 70. Ha 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 ha. I said 69, guys. Very funny. And there we go. Right. Nice little 200 base hit winner to start the day. Love it. Again, took this entry just because I saw this wick right here. A big wick followed by a second wick. Officially formed a hammer. If this would have closed red, I don't think I would have went long, but it closed green. A little bit, like it's barely green, not really a doji. Along with the fact that we're obviously higher low, higher low. It's just it's not anything amazing by any means. It's very basic stuff. So slowly bring this one back out of the grave, which is great. Gonna really I don't know how much I'm gonna push him today. We'll see how today's market reacts. We don't have any news either today from what I looked at. So we're I feel like this is stupid, but we might either get a choppy day or, from what I've seen, usually when there's no news, kind of just trends one way. Fridays typically are known to be trenders. So if we move to the daily chart, we're coming back down, flipping down. So did we get a slight retracement and then we continue dumping down to 200? Because I mean, it looks like we're breaking out now. I think if today closes down here, a good chance that the bulls come back in and we head back into the 24,000, 23,000 area. But either way, I'm not too worried about what's going to happen there. All I am worried about right now is trading what I'm seeing. Yesterday was definitely not the example of what I'm saying right now. I definitely went on tilt yesterday. It was ugly. It was not pretty at all by any means. So, yeah. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna change my shirt. We'll be right back. Back, pulling the hat out as well. Yeah, like I'm just not presentable if I don't have a hat on. So, you know what? We gotta look presentable. Gotta look professional. With the backwards cap, not professional at all. But gotta change it up. Yo, I got filled out perfectly. I mean, look at that. Market's coming back down. Gotta love the base hits. Still got 40 minutes until the market open. Oh, we're pushing back up. Crazy. Could have took the same entry and got the same results. Kind of crazy, huh? Oh yeah, dude. The bulls ain't done. That's what it is, Chad. Yeah, the rally cap. Put on the cap and the bulls coming in. This candle right here, though, is pretty ugly. I mean, that close, so... I mean, we're just kind of chopping, so no point to really full port. Yesterday, though, you know, I'm not going to even bring it up. You just got to watch a stream. I'm still a little bit butthurt about it. But you know what? It is what it is. I can't change it. So, you know, can't cry over spilled milk. And we got a busy morning right now. Busy morning. Oh shoot, we're going. We're breaking out. Bulls might actually get that push to 24,500. Yo, are we really about to do that? Hold on, let me check. I like it. Let's take it. I'm gonna put my stop right just below this low of this candle and see if we can get this push up back up to this high. The bulls are coming in strong, so taking for a ride. We rejected off twice, so let's see if we can get this third push to really just rally up, break it above the highs. I think they want 500s. 24.5. Let's get this breakthrough 95 strong here, bulls. Breakthrough 95. Let's just go straight 500s and then rally up to 20. So we're gonna need the bulls to step in here. Looking at the ask as well, we're hanging right below. There we go. 96, 97. Broke above it. Do we get the push to? Oh yeah, we might be in it. 98. Oh come on, right there. There we go. Perfect. Little breakout trade. Bulls coming in strong here. No point to go short up here. The reason why is because I've taken this exact same trade, but the opposite. Meaning, I've went short here before, seeing this kind of move, and I've gotten stopped out. So, yeah, I was like, you know what? Let's push it. If the bulls are not going to come down, and we're going to get this push, let's go see 500. Yes, sir. We're back. So, up 403 on this one. Let's see. I might just leave this alone. I'm still down. The original balance is at 700. But we got some winners, so shoot. I think we might be done trading those. Who knows? I'm also thinking about it. I don't know if I'm going to be copy trading whenever I do get more funded accounts. Because yesterday I copy traded and oh my goodness, did we just come straight to 500 exactly on the dot and didn't break it? Looks like that's the case. I wouldn't be surprised if this is just a little fake pullback. You got shorts that are really trying to keep it below this level. Oh, yeah. We're going to break 500s. Maybe not. But either way, as you can see from the top right of the screen, this stream is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. So remember that. Remember. Does it need to go up? We'll put it for 10. Pull them back down. Looks like they might want to set a little consolidation here to break it through. I mean, if 500 holds us down and we don't break that until it'll open, I'm going to be very surprised. But then again, here's the thing about the market is that the market can do whatever the market wants to do. Market doesn't care about your feelings. None of that crap. All it sees is liquidity. Speaking of which, Chad, how's the project with you and your friend going? Y'all killing it? Sticking some things in the cooker, in the hot pot. Five-minute open bullish. Are we gonna see that 500 break again, or are the bulls gonna give up here and just die? Very interesting level. Hey, all right, love it, love it. I mean, I think you did mention that. Yeah, you got married. Love it, Chad. Get them lines going, brother. Oh, what a pullback. I was kind of tempted to go in long back up here for the 500 break, but wow. Can't believe we didn't break 500. I guess the Bears don't. The Bears are stronger than the Bulls. The Bulls don't want it. They didn't want it like they wanted to breathe. When you want it as bad as you want to breathe, that's when you'll get it. Is it really just gonna break back down? Either way, chat, keep me posted on the channel, dude. Would love to come check out what you got going on, man. I do have a $1,500 payout that should be coming to. Well, it's already been approved. It's been sent. It hasn't hit today, so I think I might not get it until next Monday, which is completely fine. I kind of wanted to use it to buy more evaluations to kind of get more accounts. Right now, the plan with Apex is to stack it up to 20, and then just get some more other prop firms as well. Prop firm space though is kind of in a weird spot. I think a lot of prop firms are purging their bad affiliates, people that just gamble, and I guess don't really promote it the right way of trading. Now, am I the best example? No, because I did go on till yesterday, but overall, I really have those days where I go on tilt, right? I try to minimize those. Let's see how today goes. We'll just kind of take it from there. Oh, strong move back up. I guess that was the move to go long. We might really break the 500s now. Hey. Chad, that's the perfect editing software. I use that too, dude. The free version. Oh, goated. Oh, here we go. We're breaking 500s. Looks like the Bulls did want it. Come on, go break it. Yeah, we real good. What a move, though. I wanted to see a little bit more consolidation, but I guess it was just up, down, and up. Oh, yeah, dude. Resolve. Dude. The free version. I used to pay for Vegas. I paid for a year subscription. And I really didn't use it as much as I should have. But then I found Resolve. And I was like, dude, this is free? This is free and like about the same. So I'm like, screw Vegas, dude. Let me just freaking get this. It has everything that you need on it. I mean, there are some things like little, I guess, finer tuning things that I would love to have, but you can replicate that easily on Resolve. You just gotta do it manually instead of having it already pre-built. It's you just gotta do it manually, but I don't mind doing that, to be honest. I think it's always great to learn how to do it. I find it fun. Now, it can be a pain in the rear end sometimes to try to manually create something, but once you learn how to do it, it's a very good skill set to have. And I can just save it too, which is the beauty of Resolve, man. I absolutely love it. I think it's a Mac-based editing software. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, dude, agreed. The color grading, dude. Like, you can get so intricate with it. It's kind of insane. I absolutely love it. And you can just, like, installing LUTs and, like, all that jazz is so easy as well. And they'll let you save, I think every other app out there has as well, but just being able to save the color grading that I have and then just apply it is an absolute wonder. Let's remove that. But yeah, dude, I love it. But yeah, dude, I mean, I've been waiting for some of your stuff to come out on your channel. Like, when's he gonna drop it? Kind of, you know, tuning in. Sometimes like, all right, when's the video coming out? Love it, especially with the content that you got going on. Yo, we're breaking out. I should have taken the long up here. Should have. Could have. But I wouldn't have because I didn't take it. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. No use crying over spilled milk. Is it just gonna reject here? Is that what you're about to do, Bulls? Got 28 minutes though until the official New York Open. Hey, let's go. Love it. Yes, sir, dude. Get those videos out. Oh shoot, we're coming down. Not good luck for the Bulls. EOS hasn't really closed up there, so looks like we might be coming back to earth a little bit. But either way, we did break 500, so I'm gonna take my win there. And they're gonna retest it again and just keep going up. Interesting day though. Let's see, let me adjust my VWAP here. So there's a VWAP. We have a pivot up here at 24,556. And we kind of formed a double bottom overnight. So question is, do we want to move back up to the Asia Open and then reject? Although the past couple of days have been pretty choppy and like it's not like a good clean action. It's up, like it's been moving up in account blowing moves. So like big 100-point move up, or like 50 plus points move up and then 50 plus points move down, but it's not like steady. It's just one move. So that's the tricky part. And of course, getting burned, but you just gotta make today a good Friday. Although I'll be right back. I gotta do some stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be right back. All right, we're back. We are back, baby. What we learn, that's what we do. We are back. We now have 19 minutes until market open. Not 2019, we have 19 minutes. What a move though. I'm just glad we broke the 500s. Literally came up and tapped it, didn't break it. So the bull just wanted to get it. I would imagine there was some liquidity above it. So that's why we went back up. Now that's just all opinion. As always, my stream is never for financial advice. It's only for entertainment purposes. So put that in your head. Put that in your mind. I have noticed recently that it's been a long time since I've put out a day in the life. What I do, I might be putting out one of those videos. Let me know if you guys want to watch it. I mean, I asked that like I'm actually gonna not do it if nobody says anything. I'm probably gonna do it either way. Because here's the thing. If anybody out there is watching this, just post what you want to post. Now, there are some videos that you do have to go up the trend, but do both. Post what other people want to see and post what you want to see. End of story. Do what you want to do, right? You gotta find the equal balance. Always talk about it. And I've mentioned it before. You never ever want to just lean one way too much. As much as it sucks, you always have to try to find that middle ground in life. I guess the best of both worlds, if you want to call it that, whatever. But yeah. Now 16 minutes until market open. What are we going to see here? Let's bump it up. This is a 3-minute chart, so double bottom. We didn't quite break 300s. Came about 20 points shy of it. So are we going to see that today? Do we get a trendy market? But overall on the daily, I think we're bearish, so I don't know. Hourly chart printing red candle, almost perfect rejection off of VWAP. Moving on back up. We're just in this 10-point range. Looking like we might get a mini bear flag here. A little pump back out 75, maybe a little move to 80 and then dump back down. Come to this area down here. This is where we had a little bit of support. It's just this whole chunk over here. So do we see that in this pre-market hours? 15 minutes before we're supposed to open? We don't know. See, brackets are correct. Sitting good. What are the chances we just V reversal right here and go all the way back up to the highs? That would be something, wouldn't it? That'd be something. Would not be pretty for the bulls. We are seeing some resistance here, so looking good for a short. Just gotta find where I want to enter. Hopefully we can get a little bit more of a pullback. I'd love to see if break a 75 and leave a wick up there, but it may not happen. We may just jump down. Oh, there we go. He is wanting to break out of the range back to the upside. Let's see how we react to this 75 ADA level. Equal highs on a 3-minute. I think we're about to break it. There we go. New candle in about 30 seconds. Bulls are looking strong here, so let's see how we react. Do we close? Would be nice if we close with somewhere within the body of this wick right here. But right now the bulls got it. Are they really about to just rally back up all the way to 500? I mean, they're back. They're not going anywhere. Bull said, nah, we're not gonna keep going down. Here we go. Good rejection. Let's see if the market wants to come back up and fill me in. That rejection was a little bit too quick. All right, there we go. We are in. We can just take a base hit back to the downside here. Let's see if we can get the bears to just continue back down. See if we can get within this range down here. Let's get this breakdown there. Need ES to start flushing here as well. We can get the bears to be strong. EF starts rallying to the upside would not be beautiful. Want to see the bears control here. Let's take it below 70, go to 67. Right here, right now. Break below 70. We should get the break to 67.25. There we go. Good break. Just a mini bear flag, very simple, you know, trading strategy, nothing too insane here. Solid rejection up here, which is what I wanted to see, which was why I was saying, let's see how we react up here. Quick rejection off 80. I'm glad I didn't get short down here at 75. I was kind of thinking about it, which I would still be fine if, all right, let's not actually get into it. We're up to 01. Market could go back up now, but I got what I wanted, so. Yo, I got filled perfectly on that. What the heck? Are the market makers finally decided to be my friends today? They bottom ticked me yesterday, and hey, I have no complaints. I have no complaints at all. Yes, sir, dude. That was a perfect, literally freaking filled me perfectly. I'm super thankful. Now, I just need to keep my wits together. I cannot get too confident here. This is one thing about trading, is you can never, ever be too confident. The moment you get too confident is the moment that you will start losing money. It has happened too many times. Oh my gosh. 70. We're moving back up. Looks like the V reversal is happening. But hey, I got what I wanted. Look at that short. I'm happy. I'm a happy man. Now we have 8 minutes until open, so this is gonna be quite an interesting open. No news. So do we chop? Is that what we're gonna get? It's just chop, chop, chop. I hope not though. I hope we get a trendy market. Well, actually, I take it back. Trendy market's a little bit tough. I don't know. Just give me some wins. That's all I care about. Let me make my money and the market can do whatever it wants. Because I know that I ain't beating the market. If you wanna, you can't beat it, but you can beat the market. You can be part of it. Like they say, if you can't beat them, join them. It's probably a bad saying sometimes too, depending on your situation, but to be with the market, you gotta go with the flow of the market. Now, sometimes it doesn't always go as perfect as that. You may or may not end up getting what? What am I trying to say? Oh, chopped out. Yes. I'm kind of debating. I'm already up on the other two accounts. They're not really caught up, but I think I might just have to be patient with them and not be such a moron. Just slowly trade it. So just gotta get one more dub. If I get one more dub in this, I'll probably switch to my other prop firm that I'm trading with. Might be the move. Yeah, let me adjust my lighting. Boom. Look at that. Oh, we're rallying. So this is what I'm kind of talking about. We've been seeing quite a bit of this within the past couple of days where we're moving, well, yeah, 50 points just up and down one way. It's kind of tough, very tough to trade. Because you would be looking for like, oh, let's hold below here. Nope, let's just blast it through the sky. Six minutes, well, 5 minutes now until market open. We are now breaking VWAP. Yo, bulls are coming in strong. We do have the Asia open at, excuse me, up at, we opened up what? At basically 24,632, so I mean it's 600s. Bulls rally up there and then we kind of just chop back down. Is that what could happen? Damn to know. What a strong move though. I literally got filled in perfectly, and hey, I love when that happens. Not when I get bottom ticked, but when I get filled in perfectly. For minutes, not much happening here, so I'm taking my eyes off of the charts to give myself a little bit of a break. We are testing VWAP. Things could get ugly here. Things could get ugly. Ooh. Oh great. Now we might just sell 50 points. I mean, I wouldn't be mad if it wants to give me that, you know, where I can catch it perfectly, the range, but chances of me doing that are pretty slim. So, yeah, not gonna do that. A minute 45. We're just counting down the time. Counting down the time. Strong push. Fine Clatter's candle covered it. 520s. Next 580s and then 600. Back into this chop here, and then if they want to keep going up, then you got 660s to, I mean 700s up there. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Still in a bearish day, so this might be the retracement that we might be getting. Pop that down back to 3 minutes. Right. 10 seconds. Oh, we're selling. Look at that. Ooh. I'm not breathing enough. I am drinking coffee, so I have... Alright, we are open. Officially open for business. New York is open. Ding, 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 ding. Probably should put that little sound effect on my setup. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna sell? ES is moving back up. Nasdaq is moving down. We are at a divergence. Market divergence. Ooh. Heavy sell. The bear said, nope, we are taking back over bulls. Y'all can suck it. Strong sell. 100 points now. That's crazy. I think if I'm a bear, I wouldn't want to see this leave a fat wick to the bottom side. Would not be beautiful for them. Moving down. Now we keep breaking down. We have the lowest 20, basically 24,300s down here. So, wow. 400s just broke through it. Dude, this is a freaking dirty candle. Oh my goodness. It's only been like 2 minutes. Goodness. What is going on? 390s. We're just flushing through every single level. That's pretty crazy. Straight obliterating all of the anybody that's trying to go long down here. Ooh. Just trying to be patient here, wait for the next candle to open, see what we're gonna get. We do not have any news today from what I looked at, so I mean, I don't think we have any news to reverse the market. Either close down here, it's a little pullback, and then continue going down. Or I could just continue flashing. A V reversal here would be pretty nasty, I'm gonna be honest. If NASDAQ decides that it wants to do that. Look at ES. ES is kind of lagging behind. Not really, I guess. They're kind of equal, but he is kind of lagging a little bit behind. Let's just wait. 400s, we're still breaking through. 90. Tough. ES continuing the flush. Taking NASDAQ with it. Let's see if we can get this quick 10-point back to the upside down here. Take this long here. Bump it back up to 405. Just a quick little pullback. Might have missed it. Let's go pull back here. Oh, looks like I'm getting stopped out. Wanted to see the pullback, but it looks like I got it a little bit too late. Let's see if we have enough juice for the bulls just to pump it back up one more time. Let's pump it up, bulls, come on. Get this push up, there we go. Just one more push to the sky. One more push. Let's go here. Oh, I'm getting stopped out for sure here. Probably should have took that 401 rejection, or I guess the bounce. Come on, let's go. Just one solid push to a 401. Come on. Come on, bulls. Just one solid push to the sky. One push. Come on. I just need 5 points. All right, 288. We're good. Screw that. We're done with this one. I logged that trade. Woo! Dude, what a butt clincher. Oh, probably would have secured the points, but I don't care. All right, I think we're done with these Apex accounts. We're green on 3, so. Oh, dude, what a freaking. Wow. Hold on. Let me switch preference very quick. Give me a second here, folks. Alright, we're back. We have switched prop firms. We're no longer trading Apex. We're going to be trading some evaluations for this other prop firm just to try to pass it. Well, not just to try it, actually like taking it seriously, because these are a little bit more expensive than the Apex ones. So luckily I took a payout on this one that covered all the fees for it, so none of this is coming out of my pocket, which is great. I guess I would have gotten filled either way or just left my trade. But hey, dude, I just wanted to log in that winner, so that is day 3 confirmed. Now we just got to trade carefully for the next 2 days that come, Monday and Tuesday. Let's see how we react. Do we form this bear flag and get it moved down, or the bull is just gonna be like, hey, we're gonna pump it back up? This is just a lie. We're gonna fake you guys out, and then we're gonna keep going to the moon. So I think I'd want to see something like, oh, we probably missed it. It's probably gonna keep selling now. Don't really want to chase it. Let's take it. Put my stop loss right at the highs up here. It's a pretty big stop loss, but I want to see if we can just continue this flush down here. Back down to 47s. Continue breaking down. Let's break through 80s. Let's get through 70s. Don't drop your NASDAQ. We need you to keep going down. Let's get a break through 80s and continue flushing down. 80s holding us up. Come on, bulls, give it up. We need the bears to come through. Will they have the juice? Good close, there we go. Let's keep flushing. Yo, 80s is just holding us up. What is going on? Are they really just gonna rally here at 80? That would be insane. Get that 80 holding up. Bulls don't want it lower. They really, really don't. We need the bears to come through here and break 80 so we can just continue flushing down. Let's go 81, 81. Dude, 80 is just holding us up. I'm looking at the bid as well, keeping an eye on that. Come on, let's get this clean break of 80. Continue flushing down. I'm gonna move. No, we're gonna leave that right there. I'm not gonna. ES is not breaking it. Oh, it's starting to rally up. Bears didn't have the juice. They had the no bueno juice. Now we're rallying up. Looks like I might actually take this loss here. Talk about a tough market, dude. 80 literally held us up perfectly. That's crazy. This might just be an area where they still want to gather liquidity. Really wanted to see it just flush through, but didn't really get that happening. I think we got a new candle coming up here. 2 seconds. 2, 1. No, we have another minute. Still got another minute until the open. I mean, not open, until the next candle. There we go, leaving a wick. Let's just gather some liquidity here and flush it back down to 80 to break that level, and we continue that flush down where I get stopped out first. and stopped out. Down 575 on this one. Oh, tough. Literally did not break below 80. We're just gonna rally here now. I still think we have a chance to go lower. It's just probably waiting for some stuff to happen. I'm gonna take another short. Oh. Alright, that was a quick win. I was not expecting that. Okay. I wanted to adjust my... I guess I'll take the dub. I'll take it. Quick look, 10 points. So now we're just down 375. Actually, that was probably good that I took that base hit. Let's see. Let's break 40, leave a wick. Take a short there. Let's get this move. I'm going to readjust it at 55. Let's get this clean breakthrough. Just flush it back down. Come back down to earth, NASDAQ. You know that you were just doing this to gather in some liquidity. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just entertainment. Let's see if we can get the bears to step here again, and we can just flush it back down. Have this be a fake move back up to the upside. Bulls still look like they're trying to rally here. Not a good look. Guess I should have just taken that base hit down here where I could have, but I bet we still go down. If we can get this wick, that would be great. Yeah, I like it. Liking it. Let's just fake out all the bulls. Keep it flushing, NASDAQ. Keep it flushing. Let's come back down to earth. Come on. Bring it back down to earth. Whoa. Stopped out again. Oh yeah, it's gonna... Looks like we're getting stopped out here. Now I'm down 1340 on this eval. I think I don't have much left on this, so let's play smash or pass. Let's get this filling at 51. Come on, tag me in. Tag me in first. Alright, now let's sell. Just full on sell right here. Move it back down to 45. Would be absolutely beautiful. Okay, stopped out. Blew this eval. Ooh, let's just log in. I am just gonna go to the other ones now. We're gonna reset here and just come back to normal. Enough of this trying to pass in one move. Oh, there we go. There's the breakdown. Although with that being said, I think I'm just gonna log in another trade here for these. Getting pretty heated, so let's just go for these little 1-point winners. Now we're coming back down to earth. This might be the breakthrough now. Oh, okay. Adjust this a bit. See if this is the sell that we were looking for. Get this crack through 80s. Actually, nah, we're just gonna take a little small dub. We're just gonna do some scratch trades here. Let's not be moronic. Get the little 1-point cheesers. There we go. Cool. I'll get another 20 there. And I think we're good. Unless something else comes up that's really, really good. But other than that, blue 1 eval, so I don't know if I'm going to be trading the rest of these evals. Got a little bit tilted there, as you guys could see, but let's not squander the other accounts because these are a little bit expensive. Now, luckily, it didn't come out of my pocket for these. These pay for themselves, so definitely blessed there. Huge rejection on VWAP. That's a little bit crazy. Probably still get that sell down there. I wouldn't be surprised. He is really trying to rally back up. I think this might be the break. Oh, dude, I did not adjust this. Dang it. All right, let's do this. I forgot to adjust my brackets. I just put at 1 point. Immediately take profit for $20. Let's get this break. Come back down to 80s. Flush it here. See if we can get this flush all the way down to 40s. There we go. Bears are stepping back in. Can we get this strong continuation to the downside? Let's go ahead and de-risk a little bit. There we go. Let's break through 80s here. Come on, NASDAQ. Keep on flushing. ES has not broken lows yet. It's now testing it, so gotta be a little bit patient here. Moving this to break even. I'm de-risking now, so completely free trade right now. I don't want to see it come back up. I want to see us continue flushing down. Let's go. Come on, NASDAQ. We can get you to break through 70s. Continue this flush down. This is what I wanted to see, but looks like it needed some more liquidity. We were just hovering around here, this area. Let's make sure I'm not making too much money. All right, I'm just gonna call that there. Screw it. Because I'm coming up on the close to how much money I can make in a day. There you go. Initially wanted to see this break, but I guess I should have seen that we weren't breaking 80 and it came back up and killed one of my accounts. I said kill one of my accounts. I'm the one that killed my account because I'm an idiot and got a little bit tilted there, but sometimes the pullback is a lot deeper than what we wanted. I thought we were going to just show some weakness here and continue. I think we still continue falling down. This is just a little, I wouldn't be scared of this fully going back up. It's probably just pulling back up a little bit, and now we're going to continue to flush down. So saw the bears come in. I was like, this is it. They didn't want to push back up. Solid 50-point winner on this. So now we're close to passing this one. I'm just chill, to be honest, on this one. Now we're just going to wait and relax. Hey, relax. Take it easy. Oh. Well, let's take profit there. Hold on, y'all. Let me just switch a roo. Right. This one's up 35 on this one. Crazy move. Looks like we might see 300s, and if they want to keep selling, go down to 200. Looks like it's going to be a slugfest to break down here to 300s. Or it might be a stair stepper down. Just stair step down and just break everybody. I would imagine there's a lot of people trying to go long here, so that's what's really holding it up. If I had to just kind of throw my guess out there, or if anybody's asking in their heads. Slowest drop. Not as clean as breakthrough as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, I'm glad we broke 80. Freaking, jeez, take forever for it to do it, but don't tell me it's gonna rally back up now. It's gonna be so disgusting. Just straight rally all the way back up. Would be insane. Here we go. All right, I know I said I was done, but man, the setups are just here now. It's now happening, so kind of just want to be here to take it. That was a quick win. Probably could have extended out because I see that we're still coming down, so we're now up 235 on this one. Balance is at 1755, so a little bit past the halfway mark. I think today marks day 3 for these accounts, so as long as the other one's pretty close to passing, I should be able to get the other 300 pretty easily, to be honest. As long as I'm not stupid and patient with it, should be good. Continuing to sell. Did we break down to 300s here? Also did not want to go long down here. Just right now, bears are definitely in control, so feel bad for anybody that's going long down here. It's just doing the stair stepper of death. Because it looks like it's reversing, but it's not. It just keeps breaking down, slowly making new lows. taken out, stopped. What name you? Also, if you are tuned in as well and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button because we are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I don't know what platforms I want to give out yet. I'm not affiliated with any of them, so anything that I'm going to be giving out is going to be coming out of my pockets and with the hard-earned money from day trading. So you don't want to miss that. If you want to be included within that, subscribe and turn on that notification bell just so you can stay updated on what's happening. All right, made new lows, broke the Asia lows pretty much. Continuing to sell. We're bleeding. This is dangerous. 300 is coming up in sight. Man, could have got a 50-point winner if I would have just held into my trades. It's alright. Probably need to go cancel the other one because I don't want it to rebill. Right, probably could, to be honest. It'll reset, so I think it's 100 to reset, so I might be saving $2. We're going down, ladies and gentlemen. Down to 200s. You know, I should probably go check out to see if there's any hog futures. Kind of crazy, but I think we have hog futures. I think that was the thing. We got corn and everything too. Kind of wild. No pun intended, because, you know, hog wild. Laugh, guys, come on. Enjoy the day. It's just a joke. Wow. Yeah, bears are really strong here. Yeah, we are getting some good volatility, though. Somebody definitely caught the short and rode it longer than I did from up here. Yo, Europe. Basically coming up 200 points. That's crazy. Too bad we didn't see the turn of the FOMC. It was lame as crap. What the heck, pal? You're supposed to move the market, brother. But you didn't. Let's take this long for the move back up here. See if I can get tagged in. Just playing off this range. Form a chop zone, and we missed it. Kill that trade. '70s coming up. There we go. We got 200s coming up. We lose 200 and we just think bears are taking control because we're finally breaking out of the range. Let's go. Let's take this, see if we can get this projection here. Just bump it back above, go green, get the 10-point winner to 87. He is still falling. Oof, I might take the loss here. Want to see us just kind of start for some chop here before he goes any lower. That's what I'm looking for. Play off this kind of range. We've just been selling, so looking just to play off the consolidation zone. New 3-minute candle in about 15 seconds. Let's go. Go give me the 87. Flip it green very quick, and we should get that quick pop. There we go. Perfect. Now getting a little bit of the retracement. Base hits, base hits, base hits. Base hits pay. Looks like we're setting for another bear flag here. So now we just want to see how we react at 300s, maybe 320s. A complete reversal here would be kind of insane. We are at the top of the hour, so that would be actually pretty crazy if we just full reverse here. A V reversal, that would be absolutely wild. So something like this, if we can just continue to sell, get the bears to really step back in here, we just continue flushing down, but looks like that might not be happening. I'm gonna extend this out a little bit so I don't get stopped out. We'll put it at 32. Don't want to risk getting stopped out. And then it just go down the way I wanted to. So we have a little bit of breathing room here. See if we can get the bears to step back in. Looking like I might be taking this loss. Do we have enough steam from the bears to just flush it back down here again? I might have gotten in a little bit too early, prematurely, so it might stop me out and then continue the down sell. Kind of happened what up here, mimicking that a little bit, but it'd be nice if we can get the bears just to flush this and continue it down. And we break down to like what, 200s would be nice. Let's go check ES. Looks like ES still coming down. Let's hold it down, Bears. Yeah, looks like I'm probably gonna take this loss. But my stop is there. I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna honor it. We'll leave it. See if the Bears have enough steam to just come back down and flush this right back down. Although we may not get the same move here, so if we do break down, I might take profit somewhere down here. Wait for it to bounce back up first before it goes back down. There we go. Let's get this break to 90s. I'll take it there. Might see a little bit more chop before it goes back down, so I don't want to get caught up because we already did it once here. The chances of happening here again, I don't know. Walked away with that, with a little bit of money in the game, so walked away unscathed. Kind of thinking here, just thinking out loud, I might want to retest the level up here again, or I could just flush down here straight now. So either way. Oh, hold on, sorry y'all, that was my Steam. I don't have that game, that's just, it was on the front page. Okay, so y'all calm down. Oh shoot, yeah, we're getting to sell. Left some money on the table, that's fine. Well, it happened again. Straight up, straight down. Tragic, tragic. It might fake out. Going straight 200 here. Probably not. There we go. Just try to move back up. Looks like we're gonna get a bullish engulfing candle. Just move on back up. Yes, sir. That's what we're getting. 5-minute candle. We're just pushing back up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, dang. Wow. That's wow. Really? It's been 4 years? Gosh. That's wild. Okay. Here we go. Let's get this sell back down. Be the official breakdown. I might not get filled here. 52.50. Oh. Oh, that was 92.50. Right. No wake here. Let's go do the wake test. Let's flush it down. Or come right back up to my stop loss. How about you just flush, NASDAQ? How about that? How about you do me a solid and just flush here? Let's go do this wake test. Below 70s. How about you just do that for me? There we go. Wick test completed. We're up 975 on this. And now it's probably going to move back up. Probably retrace it back to my entry. Wouldn't be surprised. Oh. Oh, either way, I think I'm gonna probably call it here. We lost one evaluation account, and then we're green across the other funded. It's kind of trend. We brought 2 accounts back from the grave. Lost one yesterday, funded account, and so over on the day, lost 2 accounts, and everything else is green, which is great. These 2 accounts that I've traded here today are pretty close to passing too. We're like 500 to $300 away from passing. So now I just gotta be smart about that. I'm gonna end the Friday on this note. Good day. I don't want to have any more red, and you know what, I'm gonna walk into the weekend with a peace of mind. But if you did tune in, appreciate you tuning in. Again, don't forget to subscribe, because once we do get to 1,000 subscribers, we are doing a giveaway. You don't want to miss that. And the entertainment here, nothing here is financial advice, but if you guys are still trading, be smart about your trades, and we will see you probably for the Asia Open for Sunday night.